Hey, everybody, let's jump into what's happening in the Atlantic Basin. My friends, we do have Invest 98L, and this is an interesting system. So, as we can see from this graphic, this is the 8 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center. This system is currently moving through the Caribbean Sea, and it is south of where I am at in the US Virgin Islands, and it's south of Puerto Rico. However, it's going to kind of stall. It's expected to stall in the Caribbean Sea, and then things become a little bit, uncertain. So, as we can see, the update from the National Hurricane Center at 8 a.m. Notes that a tropical depression is expected to form, and actually a tropical storm or a hurricane could form. It would be named Melissa. Um, and we're already actually getting some rain from this system today. Let me show you the satellite imagery. This is infrared satellite imagery of the Atlantic basin, the wide view, courtesy of tropicaltidbits.com. And we can, of course, see all that convection going on in the Caribbean area. Let's zoom in actually to Invest 98L, and we can see that this little guy's getting stronger. It's not a named system; it's not even a depression yet. But it is definitely, getting some organization together. Now, this is where I get a little bit concerned. This is the Google DeepMind AI model. There's a few of these models, of course, the global forecast system, the European model, but I'm just going to show you the AI model. And we can see that the AI model does show this system curving up over Hispaniola, areas such as the Dominican Republic, Haiti, even really close to Puerto Rico. Now, that is not a guarantee, but it is looking like that is the trend for most of these models. Some of them are even taking the system a little bit closer to Puerto Rico and, maybe even affecting parts of the US Virgin Islands. So again, this is definitely one to watch, my friends, where we still have, over a month until the end of hurricane season, until November 30th. So please make sure that you are staying prepared if you are in the really anywhere in the Caribbean and along the East Coast and the Gulf states. We still have a ways to go. In the U.S. Virgin Islands, by the way, we are expected to get at least some rain. I already mentioned we're already getting some, but at least some rain over the next few days. We're also getting a swell event, northerly swell, so dangerous waves out there. And I hope that you stay safe, and I hope that you are prepared for all severe weather. And as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.